2016 Tundra. Tundra has a number of unique features useful for those using it as a work truck, including extra large door handles, a deck rail system, and an integrated tow hitch. Included as standard are vehicle stability control, traction control, electronic brake force distribution, anti-lock brakes, and tailgate assist. With a towing capacity of up to 10,000 plus pounds and a payload capacity of over 2,000 pounds, the Tundra is the perfect mix of power and efficiency. This vehicle has less than 25,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: stability control, traction control, keyless entry, backup camera, tow hitch, anti-lock braking system, Bluetooth, power steering, adjustable steering wheel, driver airbag, four-wheel drive, cruise control, four-wheel disc brakes, AM/FM stereo radio, rear defrost, MP3 player, fog lamps, child safety locks, passenger airbag, power door locks. This vehicle is Carfax certified one owner and qualifies for Carfax buyback guarantee. Drive away with a great deal on this vehicle. Call or stop in today.